Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow another admin to change your group info on Telegram web using your PC following the latest update. Whether you're managing a fast-growing community or just want to share responsibilities, giving the right permissions to your admins is key. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're already an admin. You'll find your list of chats on the left. Click on the group you want to manage. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This will take you to the group's information page, where you can see details like the member list, shared media, and more. Next, look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol, near the top right of the group info page. Click on it to enter the group settings. From here, find and select the administrator section. This is where you'll see all the current admins in your group, along with their permissions. Click on the admin you want to update. A list of permissions will appear, showing what this admin can and cannot do. To allow them to change the group info, look for the option labeled Change Group Info, and enable it by clicking the toggle or checkbox next to it. Once you've enabled this permission, don't forget to click Save. This ensures your changes take effect immediately. And that's it. You've just given another admin the ability to update your group's name, photo, and description whenever needed. This is a great way to keep your group dynamic and up to date, even when you're not online yourself. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy group managing.